So I don't know if it's the hot or the cold that's dripping. One of them's dripping for sure. See if I can shut these valves off down below here. They've been around since Moby Dick was a minnow.
That's about right.
I can definitely hear it dripping. See if I
Yeah,
can
that's what it does.
get these
And
off.
sometimes it won't do it.
Huh?
Sometimes it won't do it.
Unless there's some rubber stuck in there. Let's shut the hot off first and see what happens. Oh.
What makes them so hard to
The handles?
use? Yeah.
Well, I mean, the shit's been sitting around forever, never being shut off, so they're hard to turn. That's the hot.
What do they do? Build up stuff? And
Yeah, it gets like all sediment in. I think it's on the cold side because the hot. I just shut the hot and it's still dripping. Hot's off. It's gonna be this cold side. So let's see if I can get this off. Wow. It's just crusty. This is the cold. We'll see if it shuts off. Yeah, it's the cold.
Yep.
It's the cold side.
Oh, both.
Well, just do one that you need it. You know, I mean, these are ceramic disc cartridges. They're not cheap. Just do the one that you need, right?
Oh, okay.
You don't want to waste money, do you?
No.
Definitely don't want to waste money. The way things are now, it's really bad, isn't it?
Yeah, it is for everybody, and everybody's talking about it.
It's really, really bad. Let's see what I pay for my flipping pots now. You know, what I used to pay and what I pay now, it's like, holy shit. Really kind of scary. Hopefully I get this thing the hell off of here. Flipping things been on there since Moby Dick was a minnow.
Oh, definitely. Yeah, those are from the building of the house.
Wow. I might not be able to get it off. I might not be able to get it off. If I can't get it off.
You can't do much. You can't do that.
If I can't get it off, we're going to replace the faucet. Wow. Can't get it off. Unless I try a puller. Let me get a puller out of my truck and see if I can pull it with a puller. Never a dull moment. You ever hear that saying?
Hey, listen. You know, you got a lot of these people that think they're very important.
Yeah.
And really they're not.
That's funny. Yeah.
You guys and, you know, the rest of the people that take care of houses and buildings and things like that, the other ones that really important.
No. Like I said, if I can't get this off,
Well,
right, we'll need to replace the faucet.
Got a telephone here. Hold on.
Do I think it's going to come off? I don't. Hold on, I'll try. Come on. Is it coming off or not? I think it's It's coming off, son of a bitch. Oh, I broke some. Hmm? Oh, it's coming off. It's coming off. I had to put a little jism juice in there. Is it coming off or not? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Giving me a hard go here. Am I stripping the flipping thing? It comes off or I break it. Fuck. It's coming off. Wow.
You got it?
I did.
Hey.
Son of a gun. Yeah, it's all white metal, that's why. I think I got one of these cartridges in the truck, hopefully. This was a decent faucet back in the day.
Uh-huh.
If I can get it apart, this ceramic disc.
I'd be curious to see what they look like.
I got the water off to it, so it's not going to give me a douche. It's ceramic. It's ceramic disc. Yeah.
That's it?
That white shit on the bottom, sometimes that's all you need to do is clean that shit off the bottom there. See that stuff on the bottom?
Uh-huh.
Sometimes I can just clean that and the thing will be alright. Because it gets all that... It's like cholesterol built up.
Yeah.
You know, it was on the gasket on the bottom there. You said it doesn't do it all the time?
No, it hasn't.
Let's try that
We'll
first.
see what
Let's
happens.
see. Sometimes you could just give it a good cleaning. Clean some of that shit out of there. And try it before we start going crazy here with trying to save you money. See if I can turn it on if it leaks. If it don't leak, well, good. It's just sometimes. That's it. Just had some shit on the bottom of there. Water's back on. It's not dripping, is it?
Huh. Yeah. That's pretty good.
That ceramic disc, and they're usually pretty good cartridges, you know.
Oh, it's lasted since we built the house. Or since my father did.
I don't know. I think I put that faucet in for you years ago.
You think so?
I think I did. Probably like maybe. How long's your mother been gone?
Oh, jeez.
She was 96 or 95, I remember. No, she's still dripping. She's still dripping.
Yeah, she must have. It's about.
Huh? It's even worse than it was before.
Like 28 to 30 years ago.
Alright, that's the cold. We're off again. I'm going to take it out and see if I got one in the truck. The cartridge. I might have one of them.
Oh.
Hopefully. Hopefully. I think I did stock these in the truck. We'll find out. We'll find out. Alright, so I should have one of these in here. I got different, that's Delta. mowing. Some miscellaneous stuff. Valves, Wolverine brass, Delta. Here's Gerber. Oh, I'm a diverters. Mowing. Central brass. Gerber. Here's Gerber. Gerber. That's the hot one. There's the cold one. I got both hot and cold. Same thing. I mean, I don't want to... If the other one leaks, we'll put the other one in, but...
It's clogged up, and you pull everything out. Pots and pans out on the...
Alright, so I got a brand new one here.
Oh, good.
Years ago, you know, we used to... It's the same thing, right? Oh, same thing. Years ago, I used to try to keep all the, you know, spare parts of the truck, what I need, and this is a good faucet. I have one for the hot, but, I mean, if the thing's not dripping, I'm not going to change it, okay?
Yeah.
I'm only going to do what I have to do.
Oh, no, I don't blame you.
Anyway,
That's fine.
the way things are now with money and shit, I mean, I'd rather not be wasting your money. I don't want to waste mine.
Boy,
You get these new guys, they come in here, be selling you new shit. He's selling you
the
stuff you don't even need.
well, a lot of the people that live around here are all senior citizens, you know, and
Man,
they don't have a lot of money.
No, you ain't got a lot of
Like the
money.
lady across the street, I always get her newspaper for her when I go to the
Hopefully I could pull this thing
go
down.
to the Stop and Shop.
You do?
Yeah, I pick it up for her.
What's that? Is that your little snatch over there, or you go out with her? No.
No, the poor thing is in her 90s.
Let's see if it works now.
Okay, this is going to be interesting.
Yeah, the water's back on. Let's turn on the. I'm gonna turn on the hot too. All right, hot's on, coal's on. Aerator gets blocked. Typical, you know. And hopefully this comes off. Yeah, here it comes. This is an old small one. They used to have these are like cola units. Small aerator. Oh yeah, look at this shit in there.
You got a bunch of crap in there?
Yeah. Well, yeah, you shut the water off and then turn the water on, and I mean, it's just... This is a good faucet. It's all solid. This is all solid brass, this faucet.
Uh-huh.
It's really built well.
Well, that is good, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, that is good.
This is a real good faucet, because I know, I mean, now everything's all flipping... Now everything's flipping plastic, you know?
Oh,
Look at that shit. Okay?
beautiful.
Didn't even have to do the other one. Like I said, just do what you have to do, right?
Oh, yeah, you know best. You're like the doctor. Well, no, better than that sometimes.
What's that?
you see what you gotta do and you do it.
Well, yeah, I just do what I have to do. I don't be changing shit that doesn't need to be done. That other side might outlive you. You don't know, right?
Yeah.
I mean, these pots aren't cheap. Especially the ceramic disc stuff. Good, I was glad I was able to help you out. You needed some service there for sure, right? Ain't no doubt about that.
Oh yeah.
You know, water's cheap. Water's cheap in this town, but you don't want to be wasting water.
Sure.
You are.